Believe it or not, marketing can be easy and it can also be fun. I always say marketing funnels are marketing fun, and they can make you a lot of money too. You know, we've made hundreds of thousands of dollars just from one funnel, and there's no reason you can't do that too. In this video, I'm going to explain what a marketing funnel is and how you can apply it to your business. We love video and marketing, and we love sharing it with you. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you're notified when we release our next video. Hi, if you don't know me, I'm Michael and I'm the Technical Director at Girl Director. So what is a marketing funnel? Well, to put it simply, it's a bit like a funnel you use in the kitchen. You attract a large range of people to come into the funnel at the top, and they move down through the funnel until the most appropriate targeted people come out the bottom. The thing is, not everyone who sees your marketing is the ideal customer. But those who go through the funnel are more likely to become buying customers. Here is a bit of an overview of how a marketing funnel works. You start at the top with a compelling video ad that you can run on any of your social media platforms. And once people click through the ad, they go to a landing page where they can opt in for a lead magnet. I'll explain all these parts in a moment. After they've opted in for this, you get to make them an offer for something of a higher value. And during that process, you get to convert them into a paying customer. How good is that? Stick with me and I'll give you some examples of what you can achieve by following this structure. Step 1. Let's go back to the top of the funnel. This is where you need to look into paid advertising. Find out where your audience hangs out online. Is it Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, or even TikTok? Wherever it is, this is where you want to market to them. Write out a script, film your video ad, and set up your ad campaign. And if you don't know where your audience hangs out, you don't need to guess. My number one advice is to actually ask them, not with an online survey, but through a phone call. Amazing. Set up a few calls with people in your target market and get to know their preferences. You want to find out their likes, their dislikes, their language that they use, and what they're looking for. Step 2. Have the ad campaign linked to your landing page, which is part 2 of the funnel. If you don't know what a landing page is, be sure to check out this video and learn about how important they are for your marketing strategy. The fundamental point of a marketing funnel is to build trust, and the landing page is a big part of this. It allows a person to get to know you, get a feel for your brand, and learn what you are offering. And I have a huge piece of advice for you. Include a video on this page. What better way to build trust with the viewer than to actually talk to them through video? Tell them what they're opting in for and why it's so important for them. Step 3. So now they're on your landing page, you want them to opt in for your lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free offer like an ebook or a PDF, multi-day video training series, or anything else that gives your audience valuable information. It needs to be something that's compelling, that you know people want. Don't be afraid to give away too much. This is a huge mistake people often make in their marketing. But it doesn't need to be a whole book either. On the other hand, you might have a belief that you should only give away information to people who are willing to pay you. And I have a few points about that. I'm assuming you're an expert in what you do, and I'm sure it took you many years to get to where you are. I'm also sure that you can't give away everything that you know in a short ebook or a few short videos. Also, the main objective of this type of funnel is to build your list of email addresses, to build your community. That way you can nurture them over time. But if you're only willing to sell your content, then your list will grow very slowly at a much higher cost. And remember, this isn't a totally free offer. To get your content, the viewer has to opt into your database, and for that, they need to give you their name, email address, maybe even their phone number if you want to take it to the next level. This is valuable information for you that can be gold when you use it right. As I mentioned before, this process is all about building trust. So make sure your lead magnet is full of content that gives the viewer a good taste of what's to come. So be sure to make this lead magnet something that you'd want. and don't let your beliefs limit what you do. That's really important. Marketing is a creative process, so make it suit you and have some fun with it. Remember, I always say, marketing funnels are marketing fun. Finally, we're at the pointy end of your funnel. You have your paid ads, your landing page, and your lead magnet. So at this point, a portion of the people who saw your ad would have clicked through, giving you their details in exchange for your valuable information. These people are what we call leads. That means that they are great new prospects you can turn into paying clients. How exciting is that? This is where you can offer them your online program, your coaching, your courses, or any other item that you want to offer. As soon as they've opted in, they're taken to a thank you page within your browser, and that's where you can start selling. You can also make more offers of your services in your email nurture sequences, and better yet, if you've asked for their phone number, then you can get on the phone and have a chat to see what they need from you. This is marketing funnels made easy. First you understand, and then you can create. If you have any questions, be sure to put them in the comments below. And if you want to know how to build these funnels from scratch, then book in a session with us to find out more about our courses, as we provide comprehensive training in this area. Marketing is easy and fun when you have the right guidance and the people to explain it in simple terms. You may have a great product and you might be even creating videos already, but without a good marketing strategy, you aren't going to be seen by the right people. So if you want to have a chat about your business and what you can do to get your message to the right people, then we'd love to connect with you. Use this link to book a free video planning session with one of our coaches, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more marketing content.